This is why you shouldn't compare yourself to the pros. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today is gonna kind of be like a sit down in the studio but vloggy type. We're gonna head out and run and do a few things, but today's video is why you should not compare yourself to the pros. Have you ever compared yourself to a pro? Or have you thought to yourself, how can I be like so-and-so? Peter McKinnon, Chris Howe. I know we've all done this, and yes, it seems like a good idea, but at the same time, it can be a very bad idea. Today, I'm gonna go over 4 main points and / questions that you should look at instead of just solely comparing your position of where you're at to a professional. So let's roll into the main gist of the video. So when you constantly compare yourself to the pros, you're gonna lose focus, your drive or your motivation, when you constantly compare your position to theirs. Because we're all on different paths and directions and choices that we make, and we're all at different stages in our careers of what we want and want to achieve. I know I have done this before. I constantly look at myself, and what I'm doing with my work, and I look at the content creators. I want to be there. You want their job, but you just don't know how to get there or what to do to get there. Yeah, let's roll with that, because now we're gonna. This is my buddy Marshall. Hi, buddy. Hey. First question is, where are you at right now? Take a look at what kind of work you're doing, the quality of work you're putting out, and just like overall like a self-audit. Like, look over all your work, all the clients you do work with right now, and just ask yourself, where are you at right now? Let's keep rolling. Here. Let me zoom in a little bit because I don't want to catch that mirror. Totally did not finish that video. However, I did record everything here, so we're just going to jump to that, and here's the rest of the video. Should work? I don't know. This is the best way I think I could finish this video. But there's more coming, and some good news, so. Yeah, let's jump to past Evan, whatever way I need to point. I keep looking at myself at the screen over here. I don't need to be doing that, so we're gonna turn that away. So let's jump to whatever way I need to point to past Evan, since I'm jumping into future now to let y'all know what's going on. But yeah, let's go back and just wrap up the other points I want to talk about. And yeah, okay. Second question. Where do you want to be? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Develop a 5-year business plan, write it down, and stick to it. This will draw out the main guidelines and basis for you, your business, your self-business, and your main goals. Having this written out is going to benefit you in the long run. Now, this is kind of backtrack a little bit, but it's still part of the main 4 questions. Question number 3 is, how can you get there? How can you get to your goal? Now, you can look at your content creators, your idols, who you want to be like. See where they are and work backwards from it. Don't compare yourself to them, just work backwards from where they're at. They've all gone the path and walked the shoes that we're in right now, and they know how they've done it. Try and figure out how they got to that point and work backwards. Now, the last and 4th question is, how can you improve? Can you learn a new skill? Learn After Effects? Learn something to up the quality of your videos? Do you need, a new piece of equipment that's going to help out? How can you improve your work to show clients that I want to work with this guy? Always try to improve and innovate your business. The way technology and everything is growing these days, we have to evolve and we have to adapt and overcome different obstacles and challenges. And if you know how to do all of that, you're going to be very successful in this field. So in conclusion, yes and no, do and don't compare yourself to the pros. Don't always try to compare. You shot this little video and they've shot this incredible, tasteful, awesome edit shots commercial for Mercedes-Benz. We are smaller, so we're obviously not likely to get picked to do a Mercedes-Benz commercial. We have to work to that point. We have to show, earn, and prove why Mercedes-Benz wants to work with us. Work backwards from your idols and your content creators like Peter McKinnon and Chris Howe. Pick someone out, research them, look into what they've done. Don't let their success discourage you from finding your own. Focus on where you are at right now and where you want to be and how you can make the best out of where you are right now. Because if you master each step of the way, working with those big clients will become a little easier and closer to a reality.